For all us football fans, I'd like to discuss the distinction between injuries during a football game and injuries off the field. Some people ask why football players get away with injuring other players. But if anybody else were to do the same thing, he or she could be arrested or sued for damages. For instance, when a person is tackled and as a result is injured with a torn ACL or a broken ankle, this would be considered a battery under most circumstances. The injured party may have a right to sue for damages. A battery is defined in civil law as a harmful or offensive touching. However, when a football player is tackled or hit by another team's player and is injured, generally the injured player has no right to sue for damages because the player is said to have consented to the battery. If a player acts with reckless disregard for the opposing player's safety, the injured player may have a right to pursue damages. There's a case known as Hackbart versus Cincinnati Bengals. It provides the distinction between what is allowed during a game and what is not. The case dealt with a Cincinnati Bengal player hitting a Denver Bronco player in the back of the head out of frustration from an interception, and the play had been called dead. The court ruled the Bengal player could be held responsible for injuring the opponent if he acts with reckless disregard for the opponent's safety.